What's going on, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel. As always, today we are actually working on the 9th gen for the first time in a little while. I've been saying we're going to work on it and we haven't. This time we actually have to. As you can see, the hood's already open. Injector cover is off. I threw a check engine light the other day. Car like shut off, which it never does. And come to find out, O2 sensor is not reading. The top O2 sensor is not reading whatsoever. Luckily, parts store up the street, Market Auto Parts, thank you very much. They actually had one in stock, so I was able to go pick it up today. And at the same time, just so happens, my downpipe came in today. Now, it's not the most name brand downpipe, but it's called Rev 9, and I've read some reviews, they seem to be pretty good. They make some other parts, so I figured why not give it a shot. It came in today, perfect time. I have to change the O2 sensor anyways, so now we're just gonna pull the downpipe and the O2 sensor out of one shot so we don't have to fight with it, and we'll install the new one on the new downpipe before we put it in. But yeah, that, and we also, on top of it, almost forgot. I know you guys see two boxes in the corner of the video right over here. One is a downpipe, obviously, and one is an intake. So we'll most likely be installing the intake, maybe this video, might be next video, I'm not sure, but we'll find out. Depends on how late it gets, I guess. I also have work in the morning, so I have to go grab the car tomorrow. So at least the downpipe should be in today. I'm gonna stop rambling. I don't know, somebody just like ran something over or something. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling now and we're gonna get right to it. See you guys in just 1 minute. Ooh. Oh, let's unbox it, or take it out of the wrapping now. Yes, I know, I should have used a damn razor blade. I know, but it's okay. I still got it done. Actually, it doesn't look bad. So guys, this is it. Bell mouth. 3-inch, uncatted. With a flex pipe, obviously. But yeah. That's that. Time to install it. Take out the old one and install the new one. I figured I may as well unbox everything. Even if we don't install it today, or in this video. Still open the box. Unboxing. Sorry. Funny moment. But yeah, got a shield. Looks like I got a shield here. Yep. Assuming this is the filter. We got a rubber seal here to go around the shield. Cool. And then couplers, clamps, and a short pipe. Oh, so, okay. Gotcha. A duh moment. That was a duh moment, guys. That was a 100% duh moment. But yeah. So, see you guys in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and start pulling this stuff out. Hopefully we don't lose too much light. Although I am in the garage, I still need light. Believe it or not. But I have flashlights and stuff like that. So we should be okay. Hopefully. But yeah, see you guys in a minute. Oh, and one more thing. If you guys are in South Florida at all and you guys need a photo shoot, hit him up. There's awesome pictures. You can go check out his Instagram. He's great. What's going on, everybody? Obviously, you guys can tell what we're doing from the start of the video. We're installing this damn intake. So it's not going to sit here on the floor anymore like it's been sitting. We're going to put it in. When I say we, I got this ugly dude right here. But yeah, don't mind us. We just got here. It's been sitting here since last night. So yeah, we're going to knock it out. We didn't put the old filter back in and stuff after we did the downpipe. There was no point. So yeah, let's go ahead and knock this out. We'll be right back with you guys.
After a message from this sponsor.
Alright, so I guess we gotta run to Home Depot because these little factory screws right here, don't mind my hands, I've been cleaning stuff up, sorry. But yeah, those little screws don't fit, so we have to get screws to fit. Oh my god, my garage is a mess. Tools are a mess again.
What them okay?
Huh? Are you smoking crack, bro?
My nigga, you've never given me the wiser one in your car.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Yeah. And I like that spot though.
Hey.
That's just stink, man.
Yo, he did that shit as you were walking up too. That's the funny part.
That's it.
Hey,
Like, yo, you should have
nice and clean, nice
I
and
still
clean.
kind of support
this
that.
guy.
That nigga, that shit's wrong.
Popo.